Hi, I'm Lily Miss Brenner with J. Rockcliffe, and welcome to Los Gatos. The property you'll be viewing today is 14270 Arnerich Road. It's a beautifully, highly sought-after luxury estate area. On this 2 acres, you'll find a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house with a detached 2 garage. These lots rarely come available. If you're dreaming of an estate living, this is the 2 acres you can make your own. Please call me at the below information if you'd like more information about this property, the area, or any other property. Thanks for viewing, and I look forward to working with you.